Anishka, I'm 6 years old and now I'm gonna tell you 2 different recipes that you can make by yourselves. Let's start. For our first recipe, ingredients are 1 slice of bread. If you like the brown slice, please put it like this only. If you don't like, just remove it. Okay. Bread. First ingredient is bread. Then second ingredient is cheese. Third ingredient is chips. And fourth ingredient is butter. Okay, let's start for our first recipe. Take a bread. Put it on a plate. Now take this cheese slice. Put it on this bread. Now take chips. Crush them properly and nicely. Spread them around this square cheese. Take another slice of bread. Take a butter knife. Then take some butter. Spread it. Okay, our butter putting is ready. Okay, now where I put the butter, that side only you have to put it. From where you have put the butter, where the chips are, that side the butter has to be like butter, right? I also like. So let's keep it. Okay. Our first different recipe is ready. Let's keep this plate over here. For our second recipe, I'm just drawing hands. Okay. For our second recipe, the ingredients are 1 slice of bread and then Nutella, your favorite, just keep it here, and some toothpicks. Let's start. Take 1 bread, open the Nutella cover, this, then take another knife, not the butter knife, another knife like this. Put the Nutella on the knife. Now spread it nicely. Okay, it's ready. Now, roll this bread slowly because it will not roll then by your hands. This is a bit tricky for us to do. Okay, it's rolled. Now take a knife, whatever you... No, take 1 toothpick, put it in, and then our 2 different recipes are ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.